Arsenal boss, Mikel Arteta, has confirmed that Bukayo Saka will be absent for many weeks after completing surgery following a hamstring injury against Crystal Palace. Bukayo Saka will be sidelined until latest March following surgery on his hamstring, the Arsenal boss revealed. Arsenal moved back up to second in the Premier League table with a 1-0 victory over Ipswich at the Emirates, their first fixture without Saka after the England winger tore his right hamstring in a 5-1 win against Crystal Palace last weekend. Prior to the Friday's fixture, Arteta said Saka, 23 years old, will be sidelined for many weeks. But speaking in the moment after his side saw out a win that keeps the pressure on leaders Liverpool, Arteta afforded a grisly time frame for his star man. He has made a procedure and everything went well, but unfortunately, he will be out for many weeks, said Arteta. It will be more than 2 months. I don't know exactly how much longer. It will depend on how the scar tissue starts to heal. The first week or so, and the mobility of that, it is very difficult to say. The replacement of Bukayo is going to be the team. There were moments where it flowed well tonight, and moments where you could see there is still work to do. But I am certain that we are going to do that. We have to rely on the team and not the individual. Saka posted an update on social media on Saturday, which read, "The majority see obstacles, but few see the opportunities. Recovery has begun, and I'm coming back stronger." The length of Saka's injury will come as a significant blow to Arteta, who is bidding to oversee Arsenal's first Premier League title in 2 decades. We'll continue to monitor the story closely for more updates as regards Saka's replacement and the game's turnout. Drop your comments in the comment section below and stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more sport updates.